Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a quick link in Raycast. So first let's open Raycast and head over to the 2 dots here and click on Settings and search here, for example, Quick Links. Click on them. So to create a quick link, just you need to assign a hotkey. For example, let's assign Control plus P or O will be created. So here you add your link open. Choose what to open the link with, Google Chrome or any other number icon. This is optional tags and click on when you're done. Click on Save Quick Link or Create Quick Link here. And that's it guys, you can also assign Export Quick Links and Import Quick Links and search Quick Links with keys for more options. And this is how to create quick links. If you found this video useful, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment.